How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so broken winch line. We'll show you how to repair it so you don't have to get rid of all of it. Okay. This is probably going to be way too easy for me. I don't know if some of you that know what I do for a living, I mess with lines and stuff all the time. So not going to be too bad. Well, how I do it is I will put a loop in the end like so, and I'll get about 18 inches of tail right here. And then that loop, I'll start on the bottom side of this loop right here, okay? Scrunch it up. Now you'll probably have some kind of a tool to do this. Let me get one. Punch. Okay. You feed your punch through. Now, if you want to get real fancy, you can get, I think it's called a fig, but I don't use those. I just use this. And I'll put a good, I don't know, about 4 inches or so, 3 inches up onto the tool there. And then I'll scrunch it down kind of tight and pull it all off, where it creates that hole. I'll take the end. I forgot to mention, tape your end up. Makes it a little bit easier. And then you feed your end into that hole, and it feeds through the center of the line. Sometimes it's kind of difficult to get through there. Okay. Once you have it fed through the first time, you're going to take it and you're going to go about an inch or two from where your line exited, right there. And you're going to create yourself another hole with your trusty little tool. You don't have to use a punch. You can use a screwdriver, or you can use the special tool for it. There's companies out there that sell it. They'll go all the way through the center of your line like that, and then take your line, feed it through it, like so. And pull everything tight, okay? Now, where your line come through your line, you're gonna go about the same distance as you did on this side. So you're gonna go back into your line here, and you're gonna do the exact same thing as you did right there. Now, I'm not gonna time lapse this one. I want you to see how long it takes. Sometimes it doesn't take very long. Sometimes it takes forever, because sometimes it doesn't want to cooperate. Feed it through about the same, then find your end, wherever that may be, right there. Let's see if we can shove it in there a little farther. There it goes. See if we can get that bad boy out of there. There it goes. All right, I'm gonna pull the rest of that tight. So now it's going, you got 2 sections and 2 sections, just like that. Now, how to end it, you don't ever want all of this stuff kind of dangling around there. I will try and continue to go through. I'll try and tuck all this back into the same hole, so that way whenever the rest of it gets in there, it'll kind of look pretty. So we'll see if we can make that happen real fast. Ooh, okay. Okay. See if I can put that back through there. Sometimes that cooperates a little bit better than others. Sometimes it doesn't cooperate at all. And you just have to end it short. You can find the end of the line. There it is. A pair of pliers or needle nose pliers or something would probably come in handy too. But I didn't grab any. Oh, drop it. We'll grab some. So you pull that through, then you separate all your line back. So you still have that much to tuck in there. And you really need to try to get the rest of that in there. It'll make the line a lot stronger. And I'll explain why it's good to have the rest of it in there here in a second. Okay. All right. Let's try to bend that sucker. I don't know if that's gonna work. It's not looking good. It's not looking good at all. All right, so finally got it all in there. You can still kind of see it, but it'll kind of work itself where it needs to go there. Okay, that is never going to pull out. The reason I say that is because when you hook this end to your vehicle or to whatever it is you're hooking it to, okay, hooking it to your shackling pin or your tree saver, snatch, or whatever you hook this thing to, it's not coming out, because as soon as you start to pull on it, it creates tension on your lower lead here, and all this tightens up around the lead that's inside of it. So you can pull on that as hard as you want and it will break before that comes out. That is how you fix your winch line. So easy enough. You can do it with a screwdriver or a punch or whatever. You don't have to have any special tools to do it. Your hands are gonna get filthy, but that's okay. It's a quick fix if you're out on the trail, especially if you're by yourself. Now you know how to fix it. So, like always, thank you for watching. Like the video if this helped you. Subscribe to the channel and share if you know anybody that needs to know how to do it. So, thanks again.